it fade. I'm in a box made of echoes. No one hears me call their name, so I learned to love the quiet and all this echo-shaped pain. And all this echo-shaped pain. Cold floor tile maps under my feet. Lines draw lives I will never meet. Daylight leaks through a 1-inch seam. Dust hangs still like a frozen scream. I'm in a box made of echoes. Every word comes back the same. I write my name into the silence and watch it fade. Watch it fade. I'm in a box made of echoes. No one hears me call their name, so I learned to love the quiet and all this echo-shaped pain. Did I lock this door? Or did the world, is this a cage or an unborn world? If I break these walls, do I break myself? If I stay right here, do I turn to someone else? I'm in a box made of echoes, but I feel a tremor in the frame. Something cracks inside the silence, it whispers back my name.